Alright, yeah, I got a 2006 Infiniti G35. I'm going to show you what a bat inner tie rod looks like and how to test it. So you're going to want to get one of the front wheels off the ground, the one you want to test. And all you got to do is pretty much grab it from the sides here. Just shake it to the side, and you can kind of feel the play in it. You can actually hear this one. Now I'll get onto the car and I'll show you exactly what it looks like where the steering rack is. Alright, so here is the outer tie rod right here. Then you have an inner tie rod that connects to the rack. And it's covered up by a boot. You're going to have to squeeze this clip here. And there's usually like a metal retaining clamp here. You're going to have to cut this off. But you're going to need to move the boot towards the outer tie rod to be able to see the joint where the inner tie rod lives. And that's it right there. So from here this way, this is the inner tie rod, it's replaceable. And this is your outer tie rod and it's replaceable. So the play isn't here. The play is actually in this joint here, and I'll show you what that looks like. Alright, so I'm just gonna grab the tire and move it back and forth, and you can see the play that's gonna happen right here. It's kind of hard with this guy here, it's kind of covering everything up, but let's see if you can see that. That's no good. It's gonna need to be replaced, and you might as well just do both sides if you're gonna do one. So afterwards, you're gonna need an alignment. All right, well that's pretty much it for this video. Do me a favor and subscribe if you want to see me replace this thing. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend. Later.